have a crush on someone, but we don't know if they like us back, and it's giving us butterflies in our belly. Throw, grab, butterflies in your belly. Fast, girl.
If I tried to learn, I know you would notice. You know what I'm learned, but under the surface, with you on my mind, and it makes me nervous. And there's something that I need
Point
to
it
ask
out
you.
slow.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause
Little heart.
I think I want you to.
One more time.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause
Heart.
I think I want you
Speed it up. Go.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I think I want you to. Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I think I want you to.
Let's go. Hey. Fly like a butterfly. Make it cuter. Huh. Beginning.
Is it awkward now?
It's awkward because I messed it up.
If you let me down, could you do it gently? Come on, help me out. The silence is heavy. Don't leave me hanging. It's just
You know what's coming, girl.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I think I want you to.
Think of that person you know you liked and they make you feel all warm and fluttery.
I want you to.
Let's go.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I think I want you to. Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I
Fly like a butterfly. Hey. Whoa, I'm flying away. Make it cuter. Ha. Ha. Ha.
Do you want me, baby? 'Cause I think I want you to.
We know you want these, baby, and you're in luck because we're restocking all of our mesh tees on activebooty.com. Join the Booty Army by clicking right here into our 60 and 30-minute sweat sessions. You can listen to this song on our Spotify playlist, Workout by the Fitness Marshall, and you can get anything you see here, like this cozy dance breaker that's reversible, on activebooty.com.